Good morning, homies. Today it's February 17th. We are looking for some soda buys. So we are most likely gonna go a little bit bearish today, but obviously has to align with where it displaces. Alright. It does look like it wants to take out these sessions above. And I wouldn't be too surprised if it did. But also, I don't think I would want to go that way. Kind of a weird predicament that I'm in, but like I definitely want to see it take this London high. Like there's a lot of liquidity up there, but I also think if it makes a move for it and I can kind of get like a break-even entry, that's when I kind of would actually go for a trade there. But till then, I'm just gonna chill. Because it looks like it wants a short, actually. I'm just gonna wait. Not in any rush at all. I'm just gonna let this play out a little bit. Because I feel like people get so caught up in like this first manipulation that like there's so much noise that it's not even really like worth it to be in. You know what I mean? Like now that I see it took it high, like I would be more inclined to take a long here to see if it would take this London, but also just gonna be patient and kind of let it go. Because realistically, it could take that high and then just fucking dump. So I could just have a false swing and then literally reverse. And we're bearish, so I would not be surprised if it did happen. It's too much noise. Okay, yeah, I think we are a bit more bullish here, so just gonna do that. We just took London though. It's kind of too like spazzy for my liking. Like I want a clean move up, and it's too like, yeah, it's displacing up, but there's still a chance that it could just reverse down as well. So if we keep seeing a move up, maybe we'll catch a little bit, but I'm not too worried about much right here. Check 400. Yeah, if I get ticked in here, that's fine. I could see myself taking something like that, but otherwise, no. It's just too deep into the range where it just wouldn't be worth it for me. But realistically, like it definitely wants that CBDR range, I would say. Honestly, maybe more too. Like now that I'm looking at this, it looks like it just wants to expand. Just gonna wait. Gonna wait for this candle to close. If it goes above that range, it does. If it doesn't, it's cool. I'm not gonna go crazy to rush into a trade right now just because it did. It is going down. I might cancel that. And I mean, if it does go past its body, it kind of tells me that it wants to go up, and then I'll get like a little retracement here, and that's what I'll take. Shoot. Okay. Well, it didn't tick me in, but that's okay. Can take something like that as well. As long as it's 2-1. Yeah, that figures. Kind of wanted an instant reaction there, and it didn't give it to me. Okay. Damn. I'm gonna allow myself to take one more when it does kind of drive up, but that's about it. I feel like I'm getting caught up in the mix a little bit. It's actually a really important part. Because if it doesn't continue down, my position comes off. Yeah, so that's break even. Fuck. That is a buy stop of 3. I need buy stop 2. Okay, so yeah, so essentially, boom, right there. Cannot come above that. Because it did just sweep quite a bit, where it could have the potential to come back up, for sure. Don't want to see it, but it's definitely possible. And then I'm just targeting like a low over here. So just went under an old one. And then take another one off at this low potentially. But if it gets down to that low, it's like, it's very, it's in an area where it's fucking like bound to just smoke that low. This is where it's so hard to actually keep the trade on and have enough discipline to really just hold it. Because realistically, it just hit that, and if it starts retracing too much, I'm gonna have to take it off. But I mean, if it has another leg lower, and that shows me and gives me the ease and the confidence that it will also do so. So once it gets like 7-10 ticks, I might take another one off, just depending on like where I think it's going. But I'll just have to see, because it's approaching 10 a.m. and it usually likes to retrace, and then I could literally just let the one contract run. But we'll see. Unless it just fully wants to failure swing right now, but it's not what I want to see. Yeah, so I'm gonna take one off there. I'll put this buy limit to 1. And that's that. The buy stop. Back where it was. And yeah, most likely we'll want to take it out before 10, because it's looking like it wants to retrace already, I'm not gonna lie. Like if it reaches 800, I might just take it off, just because it looks like it wants to retrace. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it for now, but I don't want to see a retracement. We're so far down that I don't really want to see that. If it beats this high, I'm gonna wait for retracement down. I might call that. Okay, I know at first I did get caught up just in the ticks and in the noise, but I can't lie, I am really proud of myself for just like taking an outside perspective look and just going, okay, I feel like I'm caught in the mix and here's what I can do. Because I usually can't do that once I'm in it. Like it is hard to look outside once you're already like in that door. So looks like it wants to keep going down, so I'm just gonna trailing really close. But as long as it doesn't fully retrace, then we're good. It's just 10 a.m. is right now, so it's a very key open, so after it takes that high one more time, I'm out. I'm gone. You won't see me in this trade. I'm gone. I'm fine with that. I let it loose. I let things go. But 10 a.m. usually likes to retrace a little more than I like. And I usually key off of 10 opens. Like, that's just, like, what I like. But, I'm fucking, like, so surprised that, Asia and CBDR and London and another CBDR did not get taken. It just went up and then said, fuck you. I'm going down. So, yeah, I mean, just seeing that displacement down kind of gave me a little bit of confidence there. I mean, I wasn't fully 100% sure on that game. It's just like, bro, I don't know. I saw it go up, go up, go up, and our bias is short. So I was like, okay, yeah, I could fucking take all this, but at the end of the day, like, I thought it was personally going to. That's why I was longing so much, but, yeah. We just saw a little reversal there, and I saw it come down, and I'm like, I've seen this before. And once you see things in the market, it's like, yeah, sometimes you're going to lose, and sometimes you're going to be wrong. But at the end of the day, if you've seen them happen multiple times over and over and over again, and like just genuinely seen the market manipulate there and then come down, like it's just like manipulation that created a lot of sell stops right there, and then manipulation. There was a lot of buy stops up here, so I'm surprised it didn't, like, I was waiting for it to get this taken out, and then I was like, okay, like maybe I'll just break even, or wait for it to get taken and kind of come down. Obviously, I just wanted to get break even because I wasn't sure. I saw all these ranges up here, and I was just like, that is a lot of liquidity just chilling up there. But yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm chilling. I'm good. So just didn't like those first 2 trades I took because I was being impatient, and I waited for it to kind of play out, and it just looked like it was gonna keep going. So that's why I did that. But regardless, it's okay. I might start streaming like Gold Asia because I've been trading it a lot. It's like I even traded it last night, even just like off my phone, which isn't good on my rules. It's literally on my rules to not do. But it's just been looking really good, like volatility wise. Like I really like it when I trade and then it fucking just goes. So it seems like gold's in that kind of predicament right now where it's not doing some bullshit, and it looks like it wants to take some more sell side and go into this fair value gap. So yeah, let's wait for it to kind of play out, manipulate, and yeah, we'll see if this level gets taken there. Okay, well, I'm gonna go win the day regardless, because I heard somebody say regardless if you win a trade or not, you have to go out and win that day, whether it's like doing a morning routine, journaling, eating well, going to work, like just like win your day. Just because you lost a trade doesn't mean that you're fucking done for the day and you can just do whatever you want. Discipline is made off the charts. Discipline is made where the charts aren't even like visible, because whatever you do, whatever weakness you have in life, the chart will expose you. The chart, I've seen it firsthand. I've felt it firsthand. They will expose you. Like for an example, I can't even remember, but I was just like, say I'm not going to the gym, and I'm just on the phone. I'm kind of like, or I'm on the computer. I'm just like groggy, and I'm just like lost energy. And I'm just like bored. I'm like antsy. Bro, how the fuck am I gonna trade when I'm bored and antsy? I'm gonna take something that I don't want to be in. So, I don't know. Just note to yourself that discipline is made of the charts as well. God damn. Okay, no, it's actually cooked. What's these lows? That'd be a really good put, actually. Like a 390 level put. Lots of liquidity down there. But the charts. The charts. Bro, if you bought NVIDIA at 210, you bought a top, dog. You bought the top. Cause goddamn. Dude, my dad's buddy put like 50 bands into this stock. Like, I don't know how stupid you could be. Why? Like, it'd be worth it to literally find small cap stocks and throw your 50 bands into like 3 or 4 of them. I think that would be a more worthwhile thing than throwing it in NVIDIA. Because NVIDIA, it's a bearish market, dude. That's a bearish market. I'm sorry. If you think this is a bullish market, you're wrong. You're very wrong. The only time this would be a bullish market is if and only if it went past the 70 level on the fib from this to that. So like, bro, I just get confused what side to put it on. Like this right here, that's the only time I'll say, okay, yeah, it's bullish. 200. 200 is okay. I would take 200. Anything fucking past that, bro, or below that, that's a bearish market, dude. And dude, it's so overpriced. It's so overpriced, man. This shit's been going up for a while. I don't know. Not my kind of stock, personally. Nvidia doesn't make sense to Liam. This, on the other hand, though, well, Microsoft. Like, bro, what is that telling you? What is that leg telling you, bro? Like, that's a dump and a half. Like, I'm sorry, every tech stock is having a candle that's like an insane dump. Look at Apple even has it. AMD, dump. 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 Dude, it's a start. Burry's fucking right, man. This stock is going to die. This is fucking weird stock. I've never seen a chart like this, bro. Fucking dump, bro. Fuck, I like that stock. I like this stock, too. I invested in this stock because they have, they have a deal with Microsoft Nvidia. It's like 10 bill. But just dump, man. Like, god damn. Dump. Look at my analysis on that. Fucking wrong, dude. What the hell was going up? 30 bones. Nah. Stocks are weird though. I feel like technical analysis just doesn't do it. Like, you need fundamental. I feel like for stocks, fundamental is better. But for like futures and shit, I think you can reprice. Look at that hoe. The honish. Yeah, like, bro, like, that shit is a short. For sure. Like, 100% a short. Like, I would short that if I were you. I even right now, short that hoe. Short that bitch. Oh, maybe not. Let's see if it goes past. Will it move past? It might, but it looks so good. Just zoning out. Alright, homies. Well, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and get some coffee. But, you guys stay blessed. Peace.